Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills, business reports, and business communication. Business reports provide information for decision making in a business context and identify information useful in business strategies such as marketing reports, internal memos, SWOT analysis, and feasibility reports. Essentials of good business communication. Business communication is a specialized branch of general communication. No business can develop in the absence of effective internal and external communication. Effective communication promotes a spirit of understanding and cooperation among members. The main features that lend business communication a distinct identity of its own are as follows. It deals with various commercial and industrial subjects. It is characterized by certain formal elements, technical vocabulary, the use of audiovisual aids, and conventional formats. It entails complex writing techniques and procedures. It is impartial and objective as extreme care is taken to convey information accurately and concisely. Nature and scope of business communication. The people working in an organization are interrelated and their activities are also interrelated. Coordination and integration of various activities is possible only if there is an effective system of communication which provides for exchange of information and sharing of various ideas. The more effective the system of communication is, the better the relations among workers and between workers and the management. Business communication becomes effective only when the language used is effective, the message conveyed is clear, and a predetermined purpose is achieved. It is an essential component of organizational success. The effectiveness of the management largely depends upon the effectiveness of their communication. It is the medium through which an organization adapts to its environment. Business communication serves four major functions in an organization: information, control, motivation, emotional expression. Information refers to the role of communication in facilitating decision making and problem solving. Managers need complete, accurate, and precise information to plan and organize. They need to go through the field reports and related documents before arriving at a final decision. Control refers to the power to influence people's behavior. When the employees are required to comply with company policies and procedures, communication performs the control function. Effective communication is needed in setting and defining clear goals, giving feedback on the progress made in achieving these goals, and reinforcing the desired behavior. Motivation refers to the fostering of motivational spirit among the employees. A motivated worker does not need much supervision. He does his work as if it were his own. Offering monetary incentives is perhaps the most effective form of motivation. Motivation can be achieved through making the workers participate in the decision-making process and giving security and a congenial work environment. Emotional expression relates to the function of communication in expressing the feelings and emotions of employees under various circumstances. Today, organizations depend on teams rather than individuals for achieving the set goals. The teams have an inbuilt mechanism which provides the members an outlet to express their feelings of satisfaction, dissatisfaction, and frustration. This mechanism works completely based on communication and provides a release for their emotional expression. Next video on channels of communication.